Hello, dear students, and welcome back to Intelligent Institute of Education. Let's have a discussion on series of Python programming. Is this all right? So already I have discussed how to create functions. So when we have to create a function, it means that we have to use defining def and name of the function. Is this all right? But now I'm going to use without name of the function. So this is called anonymous function. Is this all right? And also this is called as lambda function. So now we have to understand here what is the concept of lambda function and why we have to create lambda function. What is the goal behind this? This is all right. So now basically lambda function is that we have to create for short period, for short time. Is all right. And also we can say temporary function. So we can find out a small programs like addition of two numbers, three numbers, and multiplication, subtraction, find the average number, to find the odd number, to find the even number. So for a small function, no need, we have to go in detail. It's all right. Because why? Because we have to save our time. It's all right. So now I'm going to take in practical session so we can understand this. Is this all right? So now let's have a discussion. Let me share. Okay. So now I'm going to use the concept of lambda function. So before lambda function, now I'm going to use with two variables. Okay. So with the help of function, then after that, I will use a lambda function. Then we can see the differences of that. Is all right? So def, and I'm going to some calculation. And here I'm going to pass any two argument like a comma b. Okay. And in this, what I will do, I'm going to take x and I have to store here a square of b. Okay. And now I'm going to return x. Now, same definition. Now I'm going to call this function. Okay. Cal, and I have to pass this value for a and b. So now I'm going to pass here 2, 3 and execute this. So you got here 2 per power 3, 2 to the 4 to the 8. This is clear. Now same concept, now same function, I will use lambda and we will make a differences. Is all right? Now, so use here x equal to lambda, and I have two arguments, a and b. So a comma b. Okay. And here, what I want to do, a square of b. Okay. And here print x of 2, 3 and execute this. Okay. 8. So now answer is same. So here what I have done here, x. Okay. And this is the lambda is a keyword, and this function I'm going to use a comma b. Basically two arguments. Here also I have passed two arguments. Here also I have passed two arguments. And colon a, this is the logic applied here, a square of b. Here also. Now I have printed. Okay. So basically this expression I have written here in one line. Is okay. Now here also I can use semicolon and this. Okay. Execute it. So also same answer is there. So now here we can save time. Now see, I have used here this function in detail. Name of the function, logic, return, or we can use here print also. It means that 4 lines. But here in only 1 line, we have finished this. Okay. And also we can use more than 1. We can use 2 arguments, 3 arguments, 4 arguments. Now I am going to use here one more argument. So first of all, I will show you in function. Next, I will show you in lambda function. Is all right? So I'm going to use here C. Okay. Now here, what I'll do, plus C. Okay. Now here 5. Execute this. See here 8 plus 5, 13. Same also we can do it in lambda function. C. Okay. And here plus C. Now 2, 3, comma 5. Okay. Execute this. You got here 13. See. So we can use number of arguments. But the concept is that we have to use in one line. Is this clear? So the final conclusion is that we have to use for short-term and temporary purpose. We don't want to go in detail. Is this all right? So in next lecture, inshallah, I will make reduce, map, and filter on the concept of lambda. Really, it will be very fantastic and awesome. Okay, so try to do and try to learn and try to perform more practicals. So when you can do it, more practicals, so you can learn the best. Is it clear? Thank you very much.